We're expecting a mostly cloudy Monday over the far northeastern part of South Africa, with isolated thundershowers forecast over the eastern interior, but yet another fine and dry day in the west with hot daytime highs, particularly over the western interior. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a warning for heatwave conditions over parts of the Western Cape, and that persists until Tuesday, with a warning of extremely hot conditions in the shade of red, with daytime highs exceeding 40 degrees. The third warning is for gale force southeasterly winds along the coast, and that's between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with isolated thundershowers and showers forecast from the northwest and Gauteng all the way through to the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal and northern Eastern Cape, with a slight chance of light rainfall along the east coast and a chance of drizzle extending in over the southeastern part of Limpopo. Here are the highs for today, with a maximum temperature of 40 degrees for Uppington and comfortably hot in Vredendal at 44, and a scorching start of the work week for Cape Town at 36 degrees. 33 for Dar and Kimberley, 26 from Port Elizabeth through to Durban, mild for Pietermaritzburg at 22, 26 for Johannesburg and Pretoria and Mahikeng both at 28, Bombela topping 24. As we head out to the coast, you'll see good beach conditions along the west coast with a light northwesterly wind, more of a southeaster though for Langebaan, and here we're expecting a 2.5 meter southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. A southeasterly wind is forecast for the Cape Town Atlantic seaboard side as well as False Bay at 20 and 30 kilometers per hour, more of a fresh easterly for Hermanus and a strong southeaster for Cape Agulhas, and here we're expecting a swell height of 3.5 meters with a wind swell, and that comes from the southeast. A strong northeasterly wind is forecast for Port Elizabeth on Monday, with a fresh easterly for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay. Lots of sunshine over that part of South Africa with a 3 meter swell, with waves breaking between 3 and 5 feet. As we head along the east coast, we can expect a mostly cloudy day with a slight possibility of light rainfall, with a moderate northeasterly wind for Durban and the Wild Coast, but a windy Monday afternoon for East London, Richards Bay with a light southeaster, and we're expecting a 2 meter southeasterly swell with waves between 3 and 4 feet.